In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the ink cartridges in your Canon PIXMA TS3751i printer. First step is to switch on the printer. Take the ink cartridges out of the plastic packaging. Also remove the orange seal and do it for both ink cartridges. Go to the front side of your printer. Open the ink chamber. Once the ink cartridges comes in the position, press this blue lock down and take the ink cartridge out. Take your new ink cartridge, place them. Black will go to the black side. Place it here and push the lock up. So you just have to slide the ink cartridge inside. Once it comes in its position, just push it up. Close this section. Wait on the printer display panel to update the ink cartridges. Our printer is ready. That's the way we can replace the ink cartridges in this printer. Thanks for watching.